Okay. So today we're playing Ancient Dungeon VR. All right. Yes, I played this game before. Wait a minute. Hey! No. Bam! Hey! Ah! Bam! I'm gonna go this way. Hey! Ah! Bam! Ah! That scared me. So this reminds me of Binding of Isaac. Yes, I also have that game, but I will never make a video of it because I can't use the same YouTube as this as on my computer. Go! Hey! Damn! What? What is this? Poo-poo! No! I'm alive. No, it took me. No, it took me. Ah! Ah! Oh! Ah! Slice. Bam! Bam! My friend recommended me this game, The King of Birds. Well, I can't remember what it was, his username. But yeah. Fuck you! Die! What was that? No. I'm gonna break it! Oh, that's so easy. That's that. I really kind of missed. Okay, so we can't go back now, which is sad. But don't attack this guy. What should I get? I'll take that. I'll grab you next. What is this? Key! I got a key, mister. Thank you. Sorry. Wait, let's go gambling! Let's go gambling! What'd I get? What was that? No apples? What is that? Hit you. Alright. Oh, yay! Apple! Apple! No, Liffy, no! Okay, let's see. Let's go this way. Oh, no! Hey, this one. How do I get that? Not yet. What is this? Give me a clock key. When hit time is temporary, so not bad. That's really good for an item. Now we gotta figure out how we get there. Should I just go now? Let's destroy everything I can see so far. Or that I can see right. God. Oh, I guess! No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Oh. Wow! Yahoo! Yahoo! Yeah! 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 Bam! 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 So you can see a cool mechanic each time I hit this guy. Really horrible, but I killed him, I killed him, I killed him. He's dead, he's dead. Oh, nice. Ah! Yeah! Ah! Let's go. Oh, my stuff. No other item? Okay, sure. Let's get this. What is this? Broken shield. Incoming damage. Ooh, dang! 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 Okay. Let's not save. We are not saving today. Yeah. Oh, that thing again. Where are these coming from? Bro. What is this? Okay, that's not bad. Yeah. Oh, God. Ah, weenie. Hey. Bam. Fuck you. Hey. What was that? What the? That scared me so bad. Okay, I'm going straight. Go, 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 go. Cha, cha. Cha, cha, cha. I'm breaking stuff. What killed? Oh, that thing killed me. Whatever. What did I die to? That's sad. Okay, we're doing this again. Unless I'm. I'm doing this again. Hell, not. Oh, dreamer, yeah. Oh God. Yo, no bronzy zombies. LeBron's games. Oh. Ah. Fuck you. Die, bitch! Die! You too, disabled guy! What is this? Is this what they call an apple? Break! Run! Yeah! What's that guy do? What? Bro's not a baller. No, it's not. Bro! Why are you throwing at me? Damn! shot. Okay, let's what is this? Let me just load one killed. Oh my god. Stop there! Hey! Kramer! Don't need that, please. Oh! Yeah! No! Yeah! Oh. Yeah! What was that? Oh, I have a key. I have keys! It's okay. Yeah! 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 Okay, I'm just gonna go on a big suckle. How much is this? Please give me a night. Let's go! I got an apple! Okay. Damn it! Whatever. Don't forget 5 coins! Give me 5 coins! Please, please. Give me 5 coins! Give me the 5 coins! Give me! Oh. Okay, goodbye. Not yet, not yet, not yet. Give me the coins! Woo! Fever, yeah. Wing it! Wing, string! Ah! Friends. Hell yeah! Die! 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 That was a really good dance, wasn't it? What's in this chest? Key, cook! Wow! Cook! Die! Fuck! Die! Give me the potions! I'm gonna be on them all night. Dun dun dun! Oh! I saved an exit.
Yeah, Mom? Why you don't go say hi to me?
Well, that's it.